How to create Blogger portfolio website. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger, and after you log in your account, so basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to theme, and then here as you can see you have different themes that you can choose from. I currently have this one here, Contempo Light, and after you choose your theme, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to posts, and then here you can start creating new posts. So as you can see, I already have 4, so you can simply click on create new post in the top left corner, and here you can start publishing content. So you can start typing, you can add links, you can add images and videos, and then you can simply click on the publish button, and basically that's it. Now if you go back here, as you can see, you have the option to start making money by enabling Google AdSense on your blog website. And as you can see, you're gonna have to either create a new AdSense account or simply log into your AdSense account, and as you can see, start earning from ads by creating an AdSense account. When you set up an AdSense account, we'll automatically place ads for you in all the best places. So if you bring traffic to your blogger website, you're gonna earn money by connecting or creating your AdSense account. Now if you want, you can also go to layout here and change the layout, so you have the sidebar. So if you want, you can basically delete or add new gadgets. As you can see here, I have here the tutorial page here, header and everything. And if you want, you can click on view blog, and this is my blogger website, and I can simply click on any of these pages, and I'm gonna get redirected to it. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.